Picture two neighbors. Same street, same city, same mailbox. One is 45, one is 70. Same letter arrives for both of them. Jury duty. Report to the courthouse, 8 a.m., don't be late. The 45-year-old panics, calls his boss, rearranges everything, shows up, sits in a room that smells like carpet cleaner, and waits. The 70-year-old checks one box on the back of the envelope, drops it in the mail, goes back to his coffee. Same letter, completely different outcome, because the law itself treats them differently. And that is what this video is about. Not programs, not applications, not fill out this 14-page form and hope for the best. I'm talking about legal rights that exist specifically because of your age. Things the law allows you to do or not do that a 40-year-old simply cannot. No income limits, no doctor's notes, just the date on your ID. My name is Mark. Today we're going through 3 of them, and I promise, by the end of this video, you are going to look at being 62, 65, 70, or older very differently. Let's start with jury duty. Most people think they have 2 options when that envelope arrives. Show up or come up with a really convincing excuse. A doctor's note, a work hardship, preferably both. Here's what most seniors don't know. In most states, you don't need an excuse at all. You just need your birthday. According to AARP, 41 states now let seniors skip jury duty based on age alone. No explanation, no doctor, no lawyer, just your date of birth. The exact age varies by state. In Mississippi and South Carolina, it starts at 65. In states like California, Florida, Texas, Georgia, and more than a dozen others, it kicks in at 70. In Arizona, Ohio, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania, it's 75. And in Hawaii and South Dakota, it's 80. The process is almost embarrassingly simple. When that summons arrives, flip it over. Find the question about your age. Answer honestly. Check the box for age-based exemption. That just means you're asking to be excused because of your age. Send it back. Done. No courthouse, no waiting room, no folding chairs. In some states, you can do this permanently. One form, and your name comes off the jury list for good. Now, I want to be clear. This is a right, not a requirement. If you want to serve, you absolutely can. Seniors bring decades of life experience that most jurors in their 30s haven't come close to yet. But if you'd rather spend that Tuesday morning literally anywhere else, the law says you can. That's perk number 1, and most seniors have no idea it exists. But what I'm about to tell you next might surprise you even more, because it's something a lot of seniors are quietly worried about, and the truth is actually good news. If you've been on social media lately, you've probably seen something like this floating around. New federal law forces seniors to retake driving tests every year. Or, seniors over 70 must pass a memory exam to keep their license. I'm going to stop you right there. That is not real. There is no federal senior driving law. The federal government has 0 authority over your driver's license. 0. Driver licensing is handled entirely by individual states, and Washington has no say in it.
So whoever shared that post meant well, but they were wrong. Here's what is real, and it's actually better than what you've been hearing. In California, as of 2024, drivers 70 and older with a clean record no longer need to take the written knowledge test to renew their license. A 35-year-old still has to take it. A senior with a good record in California doesn't have to. The law actually rewards experience. In Illinois, for years, drivers over 75 had to take a full behind-the-wheel road test just to renew. A lot of seniors found that stressful and, honestly, a little insulting. In 2026, Governor Pritzker signed the Road Safety and Fairness Act, moving that road test age all the way up to 87. That's a 12-year extension of driving freedom, signed into law. And here's the bigger picture. AAA ranks seniors among the safest drivers on the road. Lower rates of speeding, lower rates of impaired driving, lower rates of distracted driving than younger age groups. The data backs it up, and the law is starting to catch up. If you've seen something alarming on Facebook about losing your license, go to your state's DMV website and check the actual rules. Not a post, not a share from your nephew, the actual DMV. I think you'll be relieved. That's Perk 2. But the third one, this is the one I get most excited about. It's one of the best deals in America, and almost nobody over 62 knows it exists. There are over 400 national parks, forests, wildlife refuges, and federal recreation areas in this country. Yellowstone, the Grand Canyon, Yosemite, Great Smoky Mountains, Glacier, Acadia, Zion, Sequoia, Rocky Mountain. The list goes on. If you're a regular adult walking up to one of these parks, you pay an entrance fee. As of 2026, the standard America the Beautiful annual pass costs $80 for 1 year. You pay again next year and the year after that. Here's what the law says for Americans 62 and older. For a one-time payment of $80, you can get the America the Beautiful Senior Lifetime Pass. Not annual, lifetime. You pay once. It never expires. Every national park, every national forest, every federal recreation area in the country covered for the rest of your life. And that pass covers everyone in the vehicle with you. Pull up to any park entrance, show the pass, and your whole carload gets in free. There's more. The Senior Lifetime Pass also gets you 50% off on many additional fees. Camping, boat launches, swimming areas, guided tours. Half price. Just for being 62.
Let's talk about the math real quick. One visit to Yellowstone costs $35. Grand Canyon, $35. Yosemite, $35. Just 3 visits and you've already paid back the entire cost of the lifetime pass. If you go even once or twice a year over a 20-year retirement, you're looking at hundreds of dollars in savings from a single $80 payment you made one time. Here's a bonus tip most people don't know. If you're not ready to buy the lifetime pass today, you can start with the senior annual pass for just $20 a year. But here's the trick. Collect 4 of those $20 annual passes over time, and you can trade all 4 in person at any park entrance for the lifetime pass at no extra cost. 4 $20 passes equals a free lifetime upgrade. To get it, show up at any national park or federal recreation site. Bring a photo ID showing your date of birth and proof you're a U.S. citizen or permanent resident. No income requirements, no complicated application, just your age. You can also order it online at recreation.gov. If you're 62 or older and you don't have this pass yet, that is worth fixing this week. Let me pull it all together. 3 things the law gives seniors that it simply does not give younger Americans. Number 1. In 41 states, you have the legal right to skip jury duty based on your age alone. Check the box, drop it in the mail, and enjoy your morning. Number 2. There is no federal crackdown on senior drivers. That's a social media myth. In fact, states like California and Illinois have recently changed their laws to make driving easier for older adults, not harder. Number 3. For a one-time $80 payment, you get a lifetime pass to every national park and federal recreation area in America. A younger person pays $80 every single year for the same access. You pay once and you're done. Forever. None of these require a lawyer. None require income verification. They exist because the law specifically recognizes that age has its privileges. The only thing standing between you and these rights was knowing they exist. Now you do. If this video showed you something new, share it. Send it to a friend, a sibling, a neighbor who's 62 or older. Subscribe, turn on the bell, and I'll see you in the next one.